Finally arrived at the beautiful Samarkand house and it is worth every second of the drive. एक तो बहुत ही करीब है शहर से, लेकिन दूसरा ये कि इतनी खूबसूरत जगह hidden in the hills of मरी के करीब ही आ गए हैं अब हम, लेकिन this is how many of the people choose to live in Pakistan and close to nature, connected with the earth और अपना एक छोटा सा heaven बनाया हुआ है लोगों ने कि वो गर्मियाँ आके या जब मौसम नीचे बहुत गर्म हो जाता है तो फिर ऊपर आके यहाँ पे रहें, दिन गुजारें, नेचर से प्यार करें, रिफ्लेक्ट करें, मेडिटेट करें, नमाज़ पढ़ें, सारी चीज़ें जो हैं यहाँ पे वो जो हम कहते रहते हैं कि करना है, इसके लिए परफेक्ट माहौल है। खूबसूरत सा घर है ये और फैमिली ने अब इसको रेंट के तौर पे भी देना शुरू कर दिया है कि लोग इसको आके एक्सपीरियंस कर सकें, यहाँ पे रहें। And yeah, these are some summer homes in the Murray Hills. You know, you would think you'd never find such a thing in Pakistan, but there you go. It is here, it exists, and it's got a lot of luxury going on. It's got a swimming pool, it's got tennis courts, it's got fantastic bedrooms, one with the other, brilliant views. Just coming and spending the summer here. यहाँ पे आना अपनी फैमिली के साथ, रहना आराम से 4-5 दिन, यहाँ का खाना खाना, यहाँ पे सुबह उठना और चाय पीना, है सोच के मज़ा आ रहा है वैसे तो, but it's quite remarkable. It's got brilliant architecture, it's been designed to perfection, जगह इतनी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है, and this stone is really giving it that earthy feel. It feels like it's a part of the land, and it's got little corners, छोटे छोटे corners हैं जहाँ पे gardens हैं। अगर आप levels को check करें तो आपको लगता है कि 10-15 gardens होंगे यहाँ पे, हर टेरेस की तरह बना हुआ है, एंड हर टेरेस में कोई ना कोई कॉर्नर है जहाँ पे आप बैठ के किताब पढ़ सकते हैं. यू कैन रीड, यू कैन राइट, यू कैन रिफ्लेक्ट एंड यू कैन नैप. Every spot on this property is a photograph worthy spot. और ये जो दरख्त हैं, इनमें जो परिंदे बोल रहे हैं, यहाँ पे जो आवाज़ गूंज रही है, obviously it adds to the atmosphere. Swimming pool, what a nice way to spend a summer afternoon. And एक बार फिर सबको याद दिलाने के लिए that you don't really have to venture too far out of Pakistan to have a beautiful time. And this place is a testament to that very fact. It's a beautiful property. It's so close to Islamabad, and lots of people have properties like this across the country actually, not just this city or this town. And this is where they find their sanity. This is where they connect back with who they are. And I know that people come here, friends, retreats, बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे wellness के हिसाब से होती हैं. And I wish we had more time. ऐसी जगह है कि जब आप आए हैं तो आपको लगता है कि आपको रह जाना चाहिए, अपना घर बनाना चाहिए, किचन में पास्ता बनाना चाहिए, and you should be moving in that direction. But the land was acquired in the 60s by the family, and then this place was made, as Niall told us earlier. Very, very pretty indeed. So they've got volleyball, they've got swimming, they've got tennis, lots of recreation, so healthy activities. And now we're in the library room. This room is full of books and bookshelves, and it's got a beautiful view of the mountains. I can have my chai here in the morning and nap here and just make this your little spot for life. It's stunning. So coming here has kind of reminded me as to why Islamabad is so special. You can live this life here as well, and it's easily accessible to you, which is what makes it a big attraction in my eyes. यहाँ के लोग मुझे जो मिले हैं, they've been really nice. They've had so many different stories. But ये बात ज़रूर है, दुनिया में कहीं भी चले जाएं, they want to come back home. They want to come back to Islamabad. And I can understand, because there's no place like Islamabad perhaps in the country where you can find these kind of homes in the mountains, close to the city, accessible, and live a life of peace, tranquility, and still have the beauty of a city not too far away. So it makes it like a perfect spot. मेरा तो retirement plan था, लेकिन मुझे लग रहा है कि अब हमारी generation social media पे इतनी है कि mentally वैसे ही थक गए, retire कर गए टाइम से पहले. So it's a good good place to have, and for those parents, grandparents who thought कि हम यहाँ पे अपना घर बनाएंगे इस ज़मीन पे जिस ज़माने में उन्होंने ली होगी, you know, अब ये जो है generations and more generations are going to enjoy. So अपने ही मुल्क में invest करना, अपनी छोटी सी ज़मीन लेने के लिए या कुछ भी अगर ऐसा ख़याल आता है और अपनी अगर एक sanctuary बनानी है तो पाकिस्तान में बिल्कुल possible है और सबके पास होना चाहिए, क्योंकि this is what makes it so special, you know, that अपना घर भी है, लोग अपनी ज़बान भी बोलते हैं, आप पाकिस्तान में हैं और उसके बावजूद आपके पास एक ऐसी ज़िंदगी है जहाँ पे सुकून है, पहाड़ है, जानवर है और सारी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं। इस वक्त the feeling is good. So we've had a grand tour of Samarkand House, and it's been such a brilliant experience because I got to sit here while we were making our beautiful shots to show you guys how lovely this place is. Chai pee, ab khana bhi lag gaya hai. You know, ghar ka khana dekh ke, dal, chawal, chicken, I'm so happy and I can't wait to dig in. Again, the staff over here has been here for over 40 years. It means that when you come here, you really do feel like it's home. You know, khana bhi ghar ka hai. So you can literally make this place your own, live the way you want and enjoy all these beautiful sights and sounds every morning, so close to Islamabad. So if you want luxury living, this is it because it's private, it's exclusive, and it's got that pool, it's got the tennis court, you can book it for yourselves and you can literally feel like you've had a luxurious experience. And right now this meal is so exciting, and not just me but everybody behind the camera is waiting to dig in as well. So I'm not going to talk anymore because I'm now beginning to feel a little bad. But the privilege of doing the show is that I get to try the food first. Ha! So here I go. Dal, chawal, chicken. I'm home. Maybe it's the places that we're at. Maybe the food is really good. But you know how the environment just sits right. So even if it's not the best dal I've ever had, right now it's tasting like the best dal I've ever had. So good.